busted. Cause I was hoping you would go.
I got my first international order today, praise the Lord. And I realized I need what is called a CN22. So because all of my orders so far have been England and Ireland, or UK and Ireland, I haven't stumbled across this particular method of shipping. Basically, I've got the Royal Mail click and drop business account where I post my own shipping from home, but the form that it brought up was asking for all this crazy information. I was like, what the hell is this? So I was like, you know what, best thing, I just ship this out via, like, let me just do the whole process via the post office. So this is one of the basic body double layered, and when I said double layered, we meant double layered, honey. Okay, that's what that double stitch is there. They are double layered, both back and front. There's two pieces of material, so these are extra thick, and they snatch you in. They're so pretty, and so I call this high neck side boob because that's exactly how it sits. Today I'm just making, or tonight rather, I'm just making some Instagram content, and I just noticed that a lot of my feed was looking the same, and I wanted to offer some variety. So today, or tonight, we're doing some flat lays. Head with tonight, we're gonna have teriyaki salmon fillet tacos. There's the recipe here. I only chose this because I feel like salmon does not take long to cook.
Somebody give me the answer. You and me isn't the answer. You and me isn't. And maybe I'm telling myself that there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you when I'm alone. Part of me that cared inside is gone. And I know that I can't get part of me. Could have been, we tried to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about like we could have been. No, I'm holding it in.
Look at how delicious this is. I decided to make 4 because 6 was going to be too much. I don't know how 3 would have been good enough for like one person. But yeah, I'm about to tuck in. Hey girl. So before I end up this vlog, I wanted to do like a quick haul for you guys, because what kind of vlog would it be without a haul? I'm always reviewing other people's stuff, like other people's brands, hauling other people's brands. It's time for mine. Okay, let me get into it. Oh, also a package came today. It's one of the pre-order sets. I'm not sure what style it is at the moment, but I'm super excited. The girls have been on me about the 2 pre-order sets that I've got on my website right now. So I'm very happy to say they will no longer be on pre-order. So this is definitely one of those sets. I'm just not sure which one it is. The other set is on its way. So let me just get into the rest of this video. These are our Taylor lounge trousers or lounge pants. These, I absolutely love them. I've been wearing them all day, so you're gonna see the knees are like coming out a little bit, but these are like a very heavy knit lounge pant, and I absolutely love them. I've got them rolled down because they're a little bit big for me. They've got a wide leg. I can't see what you guys can see. They've got a wide leg. They've got drawstring, and then they're stretchy at the waist. What I love about these is that they fit really well around the waist, but then they, you know, they just kind of smooth over the rest of your body and leave you that space to kind of, you know, be in your lounge moment. So I absolutely love these. These are super, super heavy as well. So I fully talked myself into this fleece jogger set. And like, come on, who wouldn't? It's actually a stone color, so it's a very light kind of nude tan. And I was like, yes. I think what I mostly like about this tracksuit is the fit, because this is a small, but it's not overly baggy. You've got fleece on the inside, and then obviously drawstring. I love the leg, just the nice, like just the right amount of width to it. And then obviously we've got like crew neck. We've also got this set in grey. What would a lounge collection be without a grey mile jogger set? I absolutely love these two sets. This is appropriately named Marley. This is also a mock neck set. I've actually got the bodysuit that I had on before underneath here, so if it looks a bit funny, that's why. I absolutely love this set. This is another firm favourite of the girls, and as I said, transitional. Like, you could totally wear this set with some heels, and I love it. It's got the little sides, splits at the side. It's a ribbed material, really soft. She's also got a flared leg that I'm not sure if you're able to see. Fits really nice. She's got like elasticated waist, and yeah, fits nice on the booty. I probably should have wore a bra with this set so that, you know, I could look more but yeah, you get the gist. This is our Victoria set. This is actually my favorite set because, again, it's got the splits in the side. It's got like the little legging that goes with it. This is a ribbed, heavy knit material. And I'm not sure if you guys are familiar. I actually sent this set to Diamond Divani.
Even if you are not ready for the day.
If you haven't already seen the video prior to this one, we actually collaborated for her brand, which is Pressed by Divani. She does gel press-on nails, and they are luxurious, honey. If you haven't checked out her website, go and check it out. I don't have the proper bra on to wear this right now because obviously I didn't have a bra on just now. These are for the girls that are like confident, I guess, in their body. So like, if you like your loungewear to be fitting and, you know, showing off the curves, then you'll love the Luxe Lounge sets. This also comes in a rose gold, and so these are not on the, they were at one point, I was offering them at one point, but for the most part the girls are not too, I don't know, I'm gonna wait to see. These are gonna come in at a later date. I just kind of want to get a little bit more feedback with regards to this color in this particular style. For the moment, it's all about the black, so the black should be here in a few weeks time. This is the set that, right, hopefully this padding don't drop out because this is the second style from our Luxe Lounge collection. I love these. These are like, they come with the cute little bra, and then they're like a ribbed kind of material. Again, if you are not 100% confident in your body, you probably won't want to wear this, but I mean, for the girls who get it, okay. Hopefully this is the style that is now, that turned up today, because if it is, then we also got this in like a tan color as well. If you haven't already noticed, we've got like a nude kind of, black and nude kind of palette going on. So yeah, this is what this set looks like in the black. I'm really excited about it. And yeah, I believe that is it from our lounge collection. Am I looking crazy? I fully had to be combing my hair every single time I took something on, like put something on and took it off. But yeah, let's get to opening this package because it's time to open the package now, okay? Hopefully you guys are able to see. I'm actually really hoping that this is the set that I think it is. Honestly, I'm so excited for the lounge collection to come together. Initially, it was just all about the bodysuits, and I just couldn't think of Like my mind was just on the bodysuits. It didn't like lounge who. But then as soon as I realized like what pieces I wanted, and now I'm actually starting to you know what guys, if I can give you any kind of advice, always take your time to look for what it is that you want and to look for the quality that you want. It is so worth it. And don't buy anything in bulk until you know that it's the quality that you want. And don't ignore little things in the beginning, such as like the communication with your vendor and all that sort of thing, because all of that is very telling. You know how stressful it can be when you're handing over a certain amount of money for something and you kind of don't know what to expect. You're nervous, you're anxious, and all of these things, and you haven't got much to work with, especially when you're buying overseas, international. So it can be very stressful. If they're not doing their best to communicate as clearly as possible with you, just keep it moving. Honestly, it's the best advice I can give you, is keep it moving. I recently was speaking to a vendor for a specific item that I wanted to bring to CANDYMILLS, and literally they would take, I say he, but whoever they were like reading the messages. And I know people get busy, but if you've got time to be reading them every time I'm sending something back but they're not responding, that bothers me, that irks me, because that means you're there. Do you know what I mean? It's not like you're away being busy. I freaking love this set. And this is the bra set that goes with it. Let me see what it looks like on here. Put it on my mannequin. I bought this mannequin, guys, because I was like, we need a mannequin. So this is what I don't know if you guys can see, but that's what it looks like on. But yeah, this is the Lunar Luxe lounge set. As you can see, it's now in stock. And then the long sleeve Luxe lounge set is also on its way in, but only in the black. And I think that's going to be it for this video. So guys, if you haven't already, like this video. If you want to know any more information about any of the pieces that you've seen, you can visit CANDYMILLS website, which I'll link at the bottom of the screen. Also, I'm going to link Pressed by Divani. She does gel press on nails for the Queen's Honey. They're like luxury gel press on nails. If you know, you know. I will also link her Addy at the bottom of this screen as well. Yeah, turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I upload another video. Like this video, guys, and I'll see you in another one.